gray squirrel is native to North America, yet this variety of squirrel is found over the globe except for Australia and Antarctica. The earliest fossils of the squirrel were found over 25 million years ago and is believed to be the earliest form of the rodent. The gray squirrel has an average lifespan of 6 to 12 years. They have an extraordinary sense of smell, too. Males can smell a female squirrel from 1 mile away. Squirrels are not paired for life. After mating, the male and female will go their separate ways, and the female will raise her pups alone. Typically, a female squirrel will have 1 to 4 pups per litter. Squirrel teeth never stop growing. Squirrels communicate with other squirrels using sounds and body movements. They recognize humans who have shown kindness to them by offering food, and they purr like a cat when they are happy and content. Squirrels love to eat acorns, seeds, walnuts, peanuts, corn, apples, and pistachios, just to name a few of their favorites. They also feast on caterpillars and insects. In a study performed at Princeton University, gray squirrels were capable of using spatial memory to retrieve nut caches they had buried. They can remember good sources of food from year to year and are capable of memorizing the easiest route up a tree. Squirrels are intelligent, playful, and fun-loving creatures, so please be nice to squirrels.